Look at the goodness, y'all. Do y'all see this? Look at that beautiful color. So we have some apples, we have some, well, gala apples, and a mix of gala and envy apples, actually. We have some navel oranges, we have some carrots. I'm also going to be prepping some beets. And that's going to be kind of like the gist of our ingredients. I will be making like a separate little batch of juice for my dad with a little combination that he likes, but I'm going to stop talking and get to the juicing because there's a lot of juicing that's about to take place. So if you guys enjoy this video, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, honey, and let's get busy. All right, y'all, so I'm going to make my dad's juices really quickly here. So what he likes, hey, we're not coming to tell on nobody, are we? You want up? Okay, you can't hit the camera, okay? Yay! Okay. So what I was explaining to the people, Shy, is that Granddaddy, my dad typically likes strawberries, apples, oranges for his mix, right? However, don't touch the camera. I always throw in something as a surprise so that I can sneak a veggie in there. And the veggie of the day for him is going to be carrots. He's not going to like it. No, he's going to like it. He's just not going to realize that it's in there. So that's what we're going to do real quick. No, baby. All right, so I have some clean strawberries. So I'm just going to dump about a handful of them in. We're going to throw in 2 navels, pretty much 1 apple, and about a small handful of carrot. Careful. Ooh. You like it? You gonna taste it? Okay. You have to wait for it to be done though, okay? Okay. I'm gonna let this go in real time, you guys, because I know that some people like to see that. So you can actually see how efficient the system is. This is the Nama J2 cold pressed juicer, you guys, from namawell.com. It's not sponsored. I just really like the juicer. Yeah. Careful. Wait. Hold on, baby. Hold on. So we're going to, let me adjust the camera because I want y'all to see this goodness. We're going to, I don't want it to spill, baby. No, ma'am. Okay, first of all, do we need to go on timeout? Go sit down. All right, you guys. So we're going to, I'm a mom. Like, this is real life. We're going to, ooh, look at that. Look at that, Shy. You want some? Ooh, girl. You popping you ready, huh?
Ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's give Shy a little bit of juice, you guys. Here, baby. Careful. It tastes really good, y'all. He ain't gonna have no clue. That's good? There you have it, you guys. Here is the juice. So pretty and it tastes so good. So just to recap, We did about pretty much like a cup or a little less than a cup, depending on how big your strawberries are. So strawberries, we did two small navels. We did basically one full apple, red apple, any red apple, and then we did about a handful of carrots, which was like a cup or less than a cup of carrots. Good stuff right here, y'all. You want more? Here, you want to be on camera? Say hi. Okay, here. Taste it. Show the people your juice. Mmm. Don't spill it. Is it good? Is it good? No jumping with the cup. Is it good? Yeah? Say it's good. Okay, drink it. Mmm. So yummy. Okay. Oh. What happened? Say bye-bye. All right, y'all. So let's drop another batch. Two navels. I always like to do the soft flesh items on the bottom, y'all, so that your heavier items can help push the produce through. About a handful of carrots. Woohoo! So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, you guys, and I'll come back when we're doing the next recipe, because then we're gonna throw beets in here. I'm literally, let me get back on camera. Okay, so essentially what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm basically taking a big bulk of the produce that I have and kind of mix and mingling. So the oranges, carrots, apples, and then I'm going to get my beets. That's pretty much gonna be like the workaround of my juice. I find it easier, you guys, to keep things super simplistic. So I am known to make a good 4 or 5 recipes, but maybe you don't have the time to do all that. Like, it's therapeutic for me, but I'm exhausted, I'm tired. So I'm going to be realistic, okay? And I'm gonna manage my time, because I would much rather get in my bed and lay down. So that's going to be kind of the ingredients that I'm working with for the start of my juice detox. Tomorrow I will juice again. Like, this is pretty much gonna cover me for all of tomorrow. I'm still gonna physically chew and eat some produce, like fruits and veggies. You know, I may have a salad at some point tomorrow. May have a salad for dinner, I don't know. I may make a smoothie before I leave for work tomorrow. But the juices is going to help carry me, and it's a sweet juice. You know, you got the strawberries. Well, my juice is not gonna have strawberries, but the carrots are gonna give like a good level of sweetness. So in my mind, it's gonna be like I'm trying to avoid eating all the shit that I've been eating. So I'm rambling. I'm gonna get back to juicing, and I will be back. All right, y'all. So normally I would clean and reset our juicer when I'm making an additional, like a separate juice recipe. But because everything is pretty much the same except for the beets, I'm gonna leave it as B. Like, it's fine, because after this, I'm not gonna juice anything else, all right? So we're going to put in 2 oranges. We're gonna put in half of a small, well, they're like, oh, here we go. We're gonna put in a half of a, like, it's, I would say, like a medium-sized beet. But look how pretty that is. I had to put on gloves, y'all, because I don't want my hands to get stained. And then we're going to put in basically 1 apple, or 2 halves, or 4 quarters, whatever. And then we're going to add in about a handful of carrots, you guys. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. Where my thing at? Oh, Lord. my head if it wasn't attached, child. So this is beets, carrots, red apple, any red apple, navel oranges. Boom. If you want to put a booster in there, you could throw ginger, or you could do turmeric. If you do turmeric, you have to add some black pepper. There's also, Lord forgive me, I can't think of the name of it, but there's also another ingredient that is great to add in with turmeric with the black pepper, but I'm sorry, y'all. I'll have to look it up and put it in the description box so y'all are educated. But I get my information just like anybody else, you guys. I go online and I try to do as much research as possible. I am not a medical professional. I am not a dietitian. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a herbalist. I'm not none of those things, okay? So if in doubt, consult with your doctor. If in doubt, do your own research. Like, the information is plentiful out there for all of us. As y'all can see, we have an orange that is stuck. So sometimes I'll lift it up, detach it, get it back in there, or sometimes I'll reverse the system and then turn it back on, but whatever. As long as it gets in there, honey. Look how pretty our juice looks, you guys. I'm excited. I'm excited. So I still have 3 beets left, but I'm going to save these for tomorrow. And then I will have, it looks like, some apples and some carrots left over. And about 1 orange. So what we'll do is that when we make our next batch with our beets, well, no, actually might be okay. Don't listen to me, y'all. We might be good. All right, y'all. Well, let me just put it in here first. Pretty, 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 pretty. Look at that color. Pretty color. So that pretty much gave us a half a quart, essentially, y'all. Half a quart. It looks beautiful. Let's taste it. God dog, that's good. Ooh, it's gonna be so much better when it's nice and cold. All right, y'all. I'm gonna finish up and then we'll wrap it up for y'all. All right, you guys. So we're done. So these are the 2 juices that I'm taking to my father. Just to recap on his, remember it had the strawberries, it had the red apple, any red apple, navel oranges, and our secret ingredient, carrots, that he is not even gonna realize is in there. And then for Juice Mama, we have 2 quart size mason jars of just goodness, honey. Baby, these things taste good. They're gonna taste so good when they're nice and cold. But when something tastes good at room temp, you know it's gonna be good. So recap, beets, okay? We have beets. You can juice your beets with the skin on it and the leaves, the stems, all that, as long as you thoroughly wash them properly. Okay, y'all, just want to throw that out there. But the beets that I had does not have the stem or the leaves. But anywho, I did peel it. I washed them, but I peeled the skin, whatever. So we have beets, carrots, red apples, any red apple, and then we have our navel oranges, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try these recipes. These ones are on the house for y'all, okay? But check out our ebook. The link is in the description box because that is a great beginner-friendly, true beginner-friendly introduction into juicing, and you guys are gonna love it, okay? So, happy juicing. Spread love. It's free. I can heal too, which means that you can as well. And happy juicing, you guys. Stay blessed. See you guys next time.